Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Azure AD Conditional Access policies, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Azure AD Conditional Access policies, start by logging into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. On the left navigation pane, locate and click on Azure Active Directory. In the Azure Active Directory panel, look for Security and select it. Next, click on Conditional Access. To create a new policy, click on the plus New Policy button. You will need to provide a name for your policy. Choose the users or groups that this policy will apply to by selecting Users and Groups. You can select all users or specify particular users or groups as needed. Next, navigate to the Cloud Apps or Actions section. Select the applications that you want this policy to enforce. For additional control, you can configure conditions such as device platform, location, and sign-in risk. Click on Conditions to set these parameters according to your organization's needs. Once you have configured conditions, move to the Access Controls section. Here, you can enforce controls based on the conditions you set earlier. Select Grant if you want to allow access and specify if MFA is required. Alternatively, select Block to deny access based on your criteria. Make sure to review the session controls if you want to manage user sessions further. After finalizing your settings, toggle the policy to On to activate it. Lastly, click on the Create button to save your new conditional access policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.